Hello everyone, I want to quickly show you how you can finally move your core coin from Satoshi app, mining app to your Metamask wallet. And the first step you are supposed to take is to create your core address on your Metamask. If you haven't done that, what you have to do now is to watch the video that you see the link below. That is how to go about that. Now, if you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to open to your Satoshi mining app. See if it's updated. If it has not been updated, there will be an update at the top here that you should update it. Now when you click it, it can update directly or you update it manually. If you click update manually, it's going to show you whether you should update from Play Store or you should update from the other uh, method of updating. So after updating your Satoshi application, the next thing you want to do is to change your country. You change your country when you come to personal setting here. You come to the first option here is country. Choose country region. You have to change your country. You have to be very careful here. You change your country. This one I've already changed my country. You type your country name here or you search for it. Don't make any mistake, please. Once this is done, it's an error that cannot be corrected. So you have to be very careful. After changing your country, the next thing you want to do is if you feel like changing your password, you can go ahead. But the next thing you want to do is to come to asset password. Asset password. You need to change your asset password. When you change your asset password, you put the previous one, then you input the new one. And if you cannot remember the previous one, the old one, just click forget asset password. A message will be sent to you on your email that you need to confirm. Then that one will give you an opportunity to change your asset password. Now, if you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to come to me here. When you come to me here, it will display this. As you can see, this is my coin. Then you click it. When you click it, it will take you to my asset. Then you click core. As you can see from here, you can see deposit, you can see withdraw, you can see transfer. Because I have updated my application, that is why it's showing like this. So the next thing I want to do here is to link withdraw address. So what do? I link withdraw address. As you can see, it's asking for withdraw address now. Now, how do you get the withdraw address? You go to your Metamask. So right now, it has opened. This is what I'm talking about. Now, for you to copy the address that you will use for this withdrawal is to come here. Just click here. As you can see, this is the address. Just click here. Once you click here, it has already copied. As you can see, your address, your public address has been copied on the clipboard. Then you go back to your Satoshi application. As you can see, this is it. Then you paste that address here. You paste that address here. Then your asset password that you reset, you put it here. After putting it here, the next thing you want to do is to click core link withdraw address. You click it. Then you click this one. After clicking it, the next thing you want to do is to confirm. When you confirm, as you can see, this is verification to confirm if I am the one doing this. I need to input the transfer verification, which is this 947 643. Then I confirm. So after the confirmation, the next thing you want to do is to follow the instruction and do the face verification. You'll be asked to turn your face, to open your mouth, and the rest of them. Just follow the instruction strictly. And
position your face in the frame.
so the next thing you want to
Position your face in the.
I want to wish you congratulations. You have successfully withdrawn your core coin to your Metamask wallet. And I want to enjoy you to share this video, like this video, and subscribe to InfoDem. Until I see you in my next video, I say be good.